हेलो एवरीवन, सो इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कि कैसे आईपीएल एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड बन चुका है। व्हाई नो टैक्स इज चार्ज्ड ऑन ऑल द आईपीएल इनकम, मतलब प्लेयर्स आर एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम टैक्स, द आईपीएल फ्रेंचाइजेस आर एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम टैक्स एंड नाउ बीसीसीआई इज एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम टैक्स। वी विल टॉक ऑल अबाउट दैट इन दिस वीडियो एंड वी विल ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट कि कौन सा केस बीसीसीआई वर्सेस इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट हुआ था एंड हु वन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट हैव अ लुक एट दिस फोटो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि आईपीएल राइट्स हर साइकिल में कितना इंक्रीज हुए हैं एंड फ्रॉम द लास्ट टाइम दे हैव इंक्रीज्ड more than 2.5 times. So the TV and digital rights are right now sold at 48,000 crore rupees and last time they were 16,000 crore rupees. So it is a growth of more than 250% in only the IPL media right. When IPL was actually launched by the infamous Lalit Modi, तब उसकी valuation थी 2,900 crore rupees. Now it is almost 90,000 crore rupees. So that is a jump of total 3,000% from what it was initially. So BCCI actually played a master stroke here in terms of developing IPL cricket in India and all of the other countries and other continents have also followed suit. You will see बहुत सारी other leagues बन गई है, जैसे BBL, अभी UAE की लीग और बन रही है, साउथ अफ्रीका की क्रिकेट लीग अलग चलती है, BPL, PSL, all of the other leagues have followed just after IPL has made its name. So if you see, total 74 matches will be played this year and if 48,000 crore rupees are invested in the digital TV rights, then per match cost comes around 650 crores. And if you're a brand, if you want to run ads during the ad breaks of IPL, whether on app or whether on TV, you have to shell out 25 to 30 lakhs per second. That's how valuable IPL has become. So last year only IPL has added 1150 crores to Indian economy and that means 3% of total GDP of India. अब आप सोचो इससे कितना टैक्स बनता होगा, even if you calculate the 30% tax bracket. So IPL is actually the perfect example of a win-win business that is created by BCCI. So इसमें किसी की भी हार नहीं होती. The consumer enjoys while watching the cricket. The franchise owners enjoy while making money and seeing their numbers grow. The franchise players make money in the auction and they play for their teams and they get brand endorsements as well. The stadium enjoys the revenue by collecting the tickets on each match and BCCI and IPL तो पैसा बना ही रहे हैं broadcasting and media rights से. So you see, जो भी लोग इस process में involved हैं, everyone is making money. So it's a rare example of making a win-win business just like Shark Tank, जिसमें हर बंदा पैसे बना रहा है. Even if you don't get a funding, you get the branding from a national TV. All of the sharks make money. उनकी भी branding हो रही है, उनके खुद के brand की भी branding हो रही है. Okay, कि वो उस कंपनी से बिलोंग करते हैं. So everyone is making money. It's completely a win-win situation. And जो भी broadcasting and media company होती है, they make money through ads. So now let's talk about the case जो हुआ था, that is BCCI versus the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax. तो उस जगह they actually said कि BCCI is making a lot of money through IPL and it should be taxed. And BCCI actually said as per Section 11 of Income Tax, क्योंकि हम sports promote कर रहे हैं, we are not liable to pay tax. हमें भी promote ही कर रहे हैं events. We are a charitable organization, we are a non-profit organization. Well, Saurav Ganguly says otherwise, but in the long run it is believed कि वो sports को भी promote कर रहे हैं. Even the court gave a decision in the favor of BCCI कि okay, you are promoting sports and your income will not be taxed. So what do we learn from this? We actually learned how an entertainment business is built just by playing the game smartly. मतलब एक blockbuster event create किया गया है हर साल and it is the rarest situation of making a win-win business. Everyone wins in this business. So that's how more and more corporates should think. A business should not be a zero-sum game just like trading. If let's say एक person को पैसा बनाना है तो दूसरे को तो पैसा खोना ही होगा. It is not like that. Everyone can make money. We can create an ecosystem like that. If you see the current startup situation is right now, what's happening? जो भी डिलीवरी ग्रोसरी कंपनीज है, इतनी फंडिंग उठा के इतनी वैल्यूएशन लेके 10 मिनट में डिलीवरी दे रहे हैं ऑन अ लॉस बुक करते हैं, बंद करते हैं, चले जाते हैं. बट उस पीरियड में क्या होता है, जो लोकल किराना शॉप वाला है, he is not able to make money and he is not able to compete with the prices and the delivery time that they are offering. जो भी यूनिक ऑफरिंग्स उनकी है. So it is an actually zero sum game. उस लोकल रिटेलर को हारना पड़ेगा for let's say a big brand to win. That's not how businesses should operate and we should learn to create an ecosystem where everyone wins. So that's all for the video then, guys. I hope you would have understand how IPL makes income, how it is not taxable and how we should be building a business around ourselves. So we'll see you then in the next one. Bye bye.